As the weather heats up, you'll probably notice more honeybees buzzing around your home. And while that's great news in some ways, too many bees in and around your home can pose some risks to your family and your property. When you have a bee swarm or hive at your San Diego home, you might be looking for an effective way to clear your residence of bees while still keeping the bees safe. If so, you've discovered the right video, so keep watching. D-Tek Live Bee Removal specializes in humane bee removal from homes, businesses, properties, and other structures. For over 15 years, we've been the leaders in San Diego bee removal, using only the most humane techniques and never harsh chemicals that kill our precious honeybees. What is live bee removal? Live bee removal is a method of removing bees safely and humanely without using harsh chemicals and pesticides. By choosing live bee removal over a regular exterminator, you're ensuring that the bees will be protected and removed alive from your property. After our professional bee removal, the bees are rehomed to a local apiary so they can continue to pollinate our crops. Please do your part to protect our bee populations and contribute to the agricultural system by choosing live bee removal. Can you repair damage to my homes left by the bees? Our skilled technicians are more than just bee removal professionals. We'll be sure to remove all honeycomb, honey, and other remnants of the bees, so you won't have to worry about bees coming back to rebuild in your home. Additionally, we have the expertise to repair structural damage left behind by honeybees, ensuring that your home looks as good as new. D-Tek Live Bee Removal will repair any damages left from honey in hives, and will take measures to ensure that your property is protected from a future infestation. Are your services free? Many people think that bee removal is free. After all, aren't bees highly desirable for beekeepers? While bees require protection, the bee removal process can be difficult and dangerous. To get the job done right, technicians need advanced knowledge and skills, as well as specialized equipment to remove the bees alive safely. And it goes without saying, but don't try to perform bee removal yourself. It's dangerous and requires experience and skill to perform correctly. When you need expert bee removal, there's only one call to make. D-Tek Live Bee Removal has a reputation for providing top-notch services, impeccable customer service, and excellent customer results. For any San Diego County bee-related issues, visit our website or call us today.